orifice meter. So what is my orifice meter? It is also a device which is used for measuring the rate of flow, or you can say by this orifice meter we can use to measuring the discharge, and it is a cheaper device as compared to the Venturimeter. Okay, so in comparison to Venturimeter, it is a cheaper device, and it is working on the same principle of the Venturimeter. Okay, so I am writing down the it is a device used for measuring the rate of flow of a fluid flowing in a pipe. Okay. So basically, if I am describing the description of the orifice meter, basically it consists my a circular plate which is having a sharp circular edge hole that is called my orifice, and which is concentric with the pipe. Okay, so my generally orifice diameter is generally 0.5 times of the diameter of the pipe. Okay, and it may be very 4 to zero point 0.8 times of the pipe diameter. Okay, suppose this is my pipe, and this is my orifice meter. Okay, so okay, so when this is my direction of the flow, so when the fluid is flowing in this pipe, so according due to this diversion or due to this small opening, my fluid is flowing like this. So there is a conversion throughout and the divergence section. Okay, so same principle is applied here. So directly we can write the formula. Q is equal to my CD, that is my coefficient of discharge, multiply by A naught root 2GH divided by root 1 minus A naught by A1 whole square 1 root 2GH divided by A1 square minus A naught square. Okay. So what is my A naught? A naught is nothing but it is the diameter of the throat, or you can say it is the area of the orifice meter. So this area basically this is my A naught. Okay.